The function f is defined by f of x equals 5 times 1/4 minus x whole squared plus 11 over 4. What is the value of f of 1/4? So we need to find the value of f of 1/4, which is just the value of this function f of x when x equals 1/4. So we just need to plug in 1/4 into here. So we have 5 times 1/4 minus 1/4 whole squared plus 11 over 4. So what's inside this parentheses we have to do first. So 1/4 minus 1/4, that's just equal to 0. 0 squared is 0, and 0 times 5 is also 0. So all we're going to be left with is 11 over 4. So that means that the value of f of x when x equals 1/4, or equivalently the value of f of 1/4, is just 11 over 4.